In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add liquidation reversal signals, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get this powerful indicator added to your Tradingview chart in just a few moments. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you have a chart open for any asset you want to analyze. It can be crypto, forex, stocks, or anything you normally trade. Once your chart is open, look near the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually found in the main toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is your gateway to all the built-in and custom tools you can add to your chart. When you click it, a new window or panel will open, showing you different categories of indicators and strategies. To keep things simple, we're going to focus on the trending category. This is where Tradingview groups tools that help you understand the direction and strength of the market. In that Indicators window, find and click on the section labeled Trending. This will filter the list so you only see indicators related to trend analysis and momentum. After you click on Trending, you'll see a list of available indicators. Scroll through that list and look for one called Liquidation Reversal Signals AlgoAlpha. Take your time to make sure you select the correct one, since names can sometimes look similar. Once you've found Liquidation Reversal Signals AlgoAlpha, simply click on it once. The moment you click it, Tradingview will automatically add the indicator to your chart. You should see new signals or overlays appear directly on the price action, depending on how this particular tool is designed. If you want to fine-tune it, you can open the settings for the indicator by hovering over its name on the chart and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can adjust things like colors, visibility, or any inputs the creator has made available, so it fits your personal trading style. If you're serious about using indicators like this and want more charts, more alerts, and a smoother overall experience, consider upgrading to a paid Tradingview plan. I have my affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the description of this video. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and unlocks additional features that make tools like liquidation reversal signals even more effective in your daily trading routine.